This will be your mid-afternoon training. Construction work helps with balance and muscle size, and could earn you boys some extra dollars on the side.
You sure these Skittles can work? They look a little small for a pickaxe.
Oh, just wait. Once you see these two work, you'll want to pay them 5 times the typical salary.
5 times?
Start digging, boys!
Do we still have to use bare hands?
Not this time, Krillin.
What are they? All right. I'll pay whatever wage you want for them.